How's it going, guys? So today we have a 2013 Jetta GLI. We're going to be doing a stage 1 IE integrated engineering tune. So the car at this point has the integrated engineering cold air intake, R8 coil packs. We did the intake cleaning the other day, so that actually helped. This is Dan. This is the owner of the vehicle.
Yes, this is me.
All right, so we got our battery charger hooked up because the fans operate, so we don't want the battery going dead in the middle of uploading the tune. So now
that'll break the car.
Yeah, it'll break the car. So now we're gonna hook everything up.
You have to have your inaugural dad groan as you get down on your legs. All right, plug that side in.
All right, so we got the OBD2 plugged in.
Plug in over here.
Then we're plugging it into the laptop.
And then we go to the app, the Flash app. Oh, you have to connect to your internet somehow.
And then you need Wi-Fi also.
Yeah. Let's hope we can get it from here. Which one is it?
It is the Mobo.
Oh, that's good. That's good to know.
All right, so we had to connect to the Wi-Fi, so we're back now.
Then I think we hit tune. We have connected the car charger up. We have plugged it in. We have turned it to on but not running. Now we're detecting the engine.
Just trying to figure out what it has inside.
Yeah. Exciting YouTubes.
Yeah. So while this is loading, we'll take a walk around the car. So we have stock exhaust. We did a couple engine mounts and we did the trans mount a little bit ago. But he did say that the intake cleaning made a huge difference in how the car ran, because the car actually had a cold start misfire. And we actually cleaned that out, and that's pretty much gone now. So for those people looking to do that stuff, I would highly recommend it, because we did it and it definitely made a big difference. So all right, let's see what we got here. We're gonna get back to it now.
I guess 91 octane is more available.
93 is available also.
Right, but
so it's asking the fuel.
Which one should I do? I can only do one.
Do 93. I mean,
ooh, what would happen if I get 91 fuel though?
Do you have 90? I didn't know 91 was
I think 91 is
like
premium, and I think super is 93.
I thought everybody has 93.
I think Pennsylvania has 93.
Oh, so do you want to?
We should probably just go 91.
All right, so we're gonna go with 91.
I think it was
Can
only,
you retune it though?
I think if I buy another tune, but I also think it's only like 5 horsepower difference between 93 and 91.
All right, so do 91.
Let me do 91.
All right, so we decided to do 91 octane, just so he doesn't run into any issues of 93 not being available.
Yeah.
So now it's asking you for the requirements.
It does. We do have a charger.
It's asking about the charger. Then it's asking to complete the order, pretty much.
We will purchase that. I will connect it to this car.
Now the cable is going to be synced up with this car,
because
every cable is actually synced up to one car.
I think that one said 5.
So
I think it said you can do up to 5 bins.
Yeah, when I was looking at a couple, doing some research, I saw.
All right, here we go.
All right,
it's clicking.
Now
clicking
it's
away.
doing some stuff. So from what I remember when I was researching this, it looks like we're gonna have to do some key on, some key offs.
Yeah.
Throughout the process, so you do have to kind of stay near it.
Yeah.
While it asks you to do all this stuff. So now it's writing.
You never drove it before.
No.
I drove it.
Yeah.
But you didn't drive it.
All right, so we're having some key on, key off. It's asking us to do it a few times. No, it's going through. The fans are on, so that's why they tell you to put the charger on there, because the fans, if you can hear it, they kind of go into their highest mode, so that would kill your battery. So all right, so taking a couple breaks here because there's nothing really to record, but we're at 50% now, so fans are still going. So we're just keeping an eye on the battery to make sure the battery doesn't go lower than it needs to be. But yeah, we're halfway there, so we'll just keep going and see what happens.
Down south to some flat roads in the cornfields. And I was doing some 0 to 60s, and the best I could do was 7.4. And that was pretty terrible. But
well, we're working on it.
I wanted to see what it would. Well, I think it's the tires. These are not like Pilot Sport 4s. These are just regular, like, some cream convent or something. Continentals. So like they're not like sport tires.
Yeah. Well,
we'll make a podcast now.
Yeah, right.
Podcast it up. We're 85%.
Yeah, we're at 85%, so that's good. We're almost there.
86. Ah, we hear something off in the distance.
Yeah, we do hear something coming. Where's that? That might be a boat.
You can hear my exhaust leak. I think I have somewhere between the downpipe and the muffler when I started.
So we think there's an exhaust leak. So we'll have to look into that at some point.
Also gotta do this, which they don't have. It's not a gasket. It's a gasket like maker.
Okay, so it's RTV.
Yeah.
All right. We're hoping to have some fun with this thing today, though.
Fun that doesn't get us in trouble.
Yeah.
That's a good sound.
Yeah, sounds good over there. I don't know what that is.
Sounds like we're getting the ending stretch here.
All right, where are we at now?
100.
We're at 100. Now it says turn the key off. And by the way, it has these very bright blinking
I know,
red.
you can't ignore it.
You cannot ignore it. It's a very attention grabbing. Okay, let's see what happens here.
You did it all wrong. This.
All right, so we're all done now.
Let's see what else.
There's no codes.
Good data log apparently.
Okay, so that's a good thing. We could data log and see what we get while we're taking it for a spin.
Ooh, look at all that.
Oh yeah, it's got everything here. So the data logger actually has a decent amount of information in it.
Because you can hold it on your lap while I drive.
Yeah, so we can look at a lot of stuff. So that's good.
All right, let's put it back together.
All right, now we're gonna take the charger off, put the covers back on, and see how she runs. So we'll be right back. So we took a little break after the tune to get some food. So now we're all fed, ready for go for a ride, and we have a little visitor over here. Pretty sweet looking car. All right, now we're gonna suit up and get in the car, watch the laptop, make sure everything looks good, and see how she pulls. All right, so we're in the car, we're watching the laptop, just keeping an eye on everything, going for the first ride. Let's see how it goes.
Jeez.
So the owner definitely seems like it made a difference.
Definitely more powerful now. Yes.
It definitely seems to be moving pretty well.
We have to find like a non-busy road.
Yeah, now we're gonna just cruise around, make sure everything looks good, and then we'll find a decent road to actually
This road looks fine.
do a decent pull on.
Oh,
I guess we found one. Let's see how it works.
We gotta wait for the GPS to start. Right. Oh, it pulls now. 6.9.
All right.
And it spun a bit.
And it spun pretty decent. Go
Yeah.
left.
You want me to go into someone's park in the Jones house?
Yeah, that's the development. So.
Oh, ridiculousness.
So it's definitely spinning a lot.
Yeah, probably need better tires now.
Yeah, tires are probably going to be another thing to change now.
Yes. Yeah, that's definitely did something.
Well, he seems pretty happy about it, so
Yeah.
seems like it worked pretty well.
The numbers going well?
Yeah, everything seems decent.
That was a 6.9 and I wasn't even really trying.
Yeah, it seems pretty good. All right. So we're back from our ride, and it was actually a very big difference with the stage one. The car rips now, so the owner's happy. Now I just gotta talk him into more stuff. So
Ain't that just the way?
that's all for today.